Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought it could be cool to do a all blue eyeshadow look. I saw this palette in Walmart and it just screamed fun at me. It's the Profusion Cosmetics Electric Blues and I thought we could play with it today. I'm going to do my eyes first because I've tried this palette once before and it does have fallout. So that way we can avoid getting it all over our base. I'm going to do my eyes first. Don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button. Also make sure you turn on the bell so that way you get notified every time I upload a brand new video. I'm going to do my brows real quick off camera and I'll be right back. Now that I have my brows filled in, I'm going to take my eye base and I'm going to cut underneath my brows and also prime my eyelids. I'm just using a M224. I'm just tapping the base on because Nikki Tutorials said that it activates it or something. I don't know. Just tapping that all over, and then I'm gonna take my sponge and I'm gonna tap it out. I am gonna leave my eye base wet so that way I can grab the shadow better. That's one thing I noticed when I used it the first time. I'm going to start off with the darkest shade first. I'm gonna use the shade Enigma. And to place that, I'm gonna use my Morphe M506. I like doing this wet base technique because it does help get more, I guess, bang for your buck, you could say, when it comes to the pigment. But it can be harder to blend out, so be aware of that. I'm gonna go for a halo eye look, which is why I'm doing this. Still just doing tapping motions. Then I'm going to take my Morphe M443 and I'm going to tap into Waves, this one. I'm just going to go around the edges of that, tapping halfway on it and halfway off of it. That's pretty. The reason why I'm redoing this is because of the fallout. It got all over my face and of course I panicked and tried to wipe it off. And it kept steadily getting worse. So I just wiped it all off, started all over, so that way I can avoid that issue by doing my base last. Now that we have that kind of messily laid down, I'm going to take the shade Bermuda. I'm going to use my M441 and tap that around that. once you've tapped it all down, you can go back with little windshield wiper motions to try to blend a little bit more. But I always go back and forth between the tapping and the windshield wipers. That looks pretty. I hope it translates on camera like it is in person. Doing the same on this side, just tapping it down. And then windshield wipers, circles, whatever blending techniques you like. For the inner corner, I find it easier to do the circles. Okay. I'm gonna go back in with Waves, the medium-ish shade of blue, and just keep emphasizing the depth. Been wanting to do a blue look, and then when I saw this palette in Walmart, I was like, this is a sign. Do the blue look. Looking pretty good. Then I think I'm gonna take Dive, this very pretty sparkly color. Gonna take it on my finger. Make sure I blend out the crease that's forming from not setting my lid. Now I'm going to take this all in the center. Ooh. Tapping the edges where the shadow is, the dark shadow, or like the matte shadow, I mean. And we're taking it all the way up to the brow. I want my eye to look like sea glass. Ooh. Wow. Let my finger off, and then I'm going to take Addictive. That's what it looks like. I'm gonna put it on the outer sides. Oh, the inner corner's hard. It'd probably help if my nails weren't like 10 miles long. I can't help it, they're so pretty. You can see me. I'll leave that like that. I know it looks messy, but I'm like layering different metallics. And then I'm gonna take Idol, this one, the lightest shimmer, and I'm just gonna take it in the very center. All the way up. Ugh. I'm gonna tap back in a Dive, the medium shade of glitter, and I'm gonna blend it a little bit more. I'm going to take a tiny bit of Enigma, the darkest matte shade we used, and just going to deepen the inner and outer just a smidge. Just a little bit. Back in with a little bit of waves, just to blend that edge. And then, can you guess? Back in with Bermuda, the light blue, and blend that edge. I do a lot of back and forth with my colors. I just feel like it makes for a cleaner look. Okay, I'm gonna go off camera, I'm gonna do the other eye, and I'm gonna finish my face, and I'll be right back with the finished look. Alright guys, this is the finished eye look. Our blue smoky eye slash halo eye. I actually really like this palette. Got it at Walmart, so you know it was cheap. Just paired a little pink nude lip with it, giving you like that icy vibes. I love it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and don't forget to like this video and to subscribe. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, evening, whatever time it is when you're watching this, and I hope to catch you in my next video. Bye!